is Katie Matheson. She will be performing This Is the Stuff by Francesca Bettistelli. Katie has been involved in her high school and middle school choirs. She has also been a part of the all-state choir since 8th grade. Singing has been a huge part of her life, from singing in the church, beginning at age 5, to being a leader in the high school choir. Welcome contestant number 1, Katie Matheson.